Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what I received in the April 2022 Allure beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so in case anyone isn't aware what an Allure beauty box is, it is a $23 a month beauty subscription where you receive approximately 6 items, 3 of which are guaranteed to be full-size products. Allure is a beauty magazine. They also toss out awards. You may see products or other websites or brands that tout their product received an Allure Beauty Award. Alright, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what came in this month's box. This subscription does come with a pamphlet. This will contain the products in the box along with the full-size MSRP value. Okay, first item. What is this in bubble wrap? You're going to be makeup or skincare? Alright, so this is from a brand I'm not familiar with called St. Luxe. And this here is a liquid glow in the shade Rose Gold. What is a liquid glow? Oh, okay. I have received products similar to this. I want to say from Ciate London. I believe this is something that you... Oh, okay. It comes with a doe foot. I think you put this on underneath foundation. I don't know. Let me look at the booklet before I state something incorrect. Maybe it's a highlighter or something. Okay, yes. Thankfully, I remembered there's a booklet and to read. This is a liquid highlighter, and it is easy to blend. It looks all the more natural. There's a doe foot applicator, as I shared. The full size retails for $24. I'm going to assume this is a sample size, but maybe it's full size. I don't know. Something will float on screen. All right, let's do a swatch. It's very peachy, which could be a tad too dark for me. However, any makeup you can wear anywhere. This might be good eyeshadow topper or blended in, put on first, and then applying blush over the top. All right, I'm excited because do I love this product? Not necessarily. However, I'm super excited that we received makeup in an Allure box. All right, next item. What is this that weighs absolutely nothing? All right, this is from a brand I'm also not familiar with called Uve, and it's a violet antimicrobial blender. So it's a makeup sponge. What do they claim? They say what sets this little egg-shaped blender apart from all other makeup blenders is the velvety soft feel. It has a dome tip, which is perfect for using around the contours of your face, like on the sides of your nose, while the rounded base is ideal for your cheeks. Let's take a look, because based off of what it looks like on the box, it seems to be just like every other makeup blender out there. This is what it looks like. This is another sponge I have, exact same shape. So, will I use this? Yes. Is it as spectacular as they described? Not really. Alright, what do they say this retails for? And I bet you anything, this is a full-size item. Shut the front door. This retails for $19.99 and is a full-size item. If you haven't done so by now, I strongly suggest you go to Shop Miss A and you can pick up probably 12 sponges for the price of this one, and they are fantastic. Alright, next item. Yay! I know what this is. I enjoy it, and I'm kind of low on dry shampoo. This here is from Amika or Amika, and it's the Perk Up Dry Shampoo. Normally, this stuff smells spectacular. Alright, I have clean hair, washed today, but I'm curious what this smells like. So let's look crazy in the hair department. Let me fix this. A little extra volume. I love using dry shampoos for getting volume. All right, It smells good, but it doesn't smell like the normal one or the other one that I really enjoy. I wish I got a full size of that, to be honest. All right, next item. What is this product? We have from EltaMD Skincare, a UV Sheer Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Plus. Ooh, and it's for the face. Yes, it's that, or becoming that time of year where you need sunscreen. It is a travel sample size, I'm presuming, but it's a decent size. You get, wow, this is 30 ml or 1 fluid ounce. Full size retails for $30. Something will float on screen because I am super curious if this is full size or not. All right, next item. What is this? Looks to be some sort of a lip product, but watch it be like a hair gel. Hold on, let me grab the box because I cannot read the writing on here. Thank God I looked at the booklet. Wrong again. All right, so this is from the Beauty Crop, and it's the Melon Jelly Dewy Primer XXL. This is 30 ml, which I will presume is full size, and retails for $22. They said, why you'll love it. If you've shied away from primers in the past, and who could blame you, they can be so matte and heavy or sticky. This radiance boosting gel will have you rethinking the category. The understated watermelon scent is a refreshing plus. All right, once I get through my NYX, I think I will give this one a try. All right, next item. This is heavy. What do we have here? This here's from OSEA, and it's an essential hydrating oil. Presume this will be one of the full-size items. Again, this is 30 ml or 1 fluid ounce. Yes, this is full size, and it retails for, holy crap, $68. What does this sucker do for $68? All right, it says, one pump is proof that oils can soothe and moisturize skin without feeling oily or greasy. OSEA's hydrating, calming blend of 8 oils, including moisturizing jojoba seed and soothing geranium, leaves skin soft and supple. Press the fast-absorbing formula under your skin and smooth any extra oil over your lips to seal the deal. Wow. I've never heard of taking a face oil and putting it over your lips. Someone leave me a comment. Let me know if you've done that or you are aware you could do that. All right. And this is very heavy. Let's see. I bet it has a glass bottle. Yes. All right. Very nice packaging. This is glass, which explains why it weighs so much. All right. And the last item, what do we have here? This here's from a brand called Scratch, and it's nail wraps. Real nail art. Well, I don't do my nails, but if I did, this looks interesting. I don't want to break the seal because this will be put in a giveaway, but if you like doing your nails and love nail art, let me know. All right, let's recap everything that came in the April box. We got some stick-on nail art, a moisturizing gel primer, a sample-sized dry shampoo, an SPF 50 sunscreen for the face, a beauty blending sponge, a liquid highlighter, and a hydrating face oil. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, this is a really good box. First of all, we got 7 items. And granted, did I love and enjoy every single item? No, but I still think this is a really good box. We got 3 makeup items, a liquid highlighter, a beauty blending sponge, and a primer. Let me know, do you guys consider primers skincare or makeup? I consider them kind of hybrid, but leaning more towards makeup. I was in need of a dry shampoo, so yay. Who can't use, or if you aren't using, you should be using a sunscreen for the face and a bougie brand hydrating face oil. The only one that I'm really like, meh, just because I don't do my nails. But yes, let me know your thoughts. I'm going to list the MSRP value for the box. I'm guessing because as of late, the boxes have been well over $100. This one product is $68. It's probably going to be upwards of $150 for sure. I know everyone doesn't love and enjoy Allure, but their boxes have been getting better and better. I really think this is totally worth $23. Let me know your thoughts. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.